out the hard drives working because I went to straight away to security and stuff and just said, can you get me my files so I can actually work? I've done that bit. I was hoping my last computer would die first. Is this one went okay?
Yep.
Don't you be a meanie, thought you wanted me to go. Why you tryna keep me teeny? It's a dreamy, wished it on a genie. I got fans finally, and she wanted them to see me. I thought you want this for my life, for my life. Said you wanted